Hello, highly esteemed viewers. This is Happy Months on the platform again. We have a tricky Olympiad mathematics here. S raised power 24 plus S raised power 25 plus S raised power 26 over S raised power 24 equal to 7. Now solution. Now, since the lowest power we have there is 24, I will split the rest. This will give us S raised power 24 plus 1 plus S raised to the power of 24 plus 2 over S raised to the power of 24 equal to 27, equal to 7 rather. Now recall that from indices, an times an is the same thing as an plus n. So this is addition, we'll take it to multiplication. So this will give us S raised power 24 plus S24 dot, which is times S raised power 1. The basis is common. You add the power, so 24 plus 1, you get 25 plus S24 dot S2 over S power 24 equal to 7. Now, let's solve further from there. Now, S raised power 24 is the lowest base, so let me factor it out at the numerator level. S24 divided by itself, you get 1 plus S raised power 24. We cancel this, then you're left with S plus S raised power 24. We divide this and we are left with S raised power 2 over the denominator. Equal to 7. S raised power 24, we cancel S raised power 24. Now, let's come here. Forget this over 1, so the numerator is left. So 1 plus S squared equal to 7. Now this is a quadratic equation altogether. This is S squared plus S plus 1. Now moving this one to be negative. So S squared plus S minus 6 equal to 0. 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Now this is a quadratic equation. We are good to go now. Two numbers, when you multiply them, we give you minus 6. The product minus 6. Product is minus 6. Then the sum is 1. Of course, 2 times 3. Since we have negative here, positive here, so the lower one will take this. So this minus 2 plus 3. So the two factors are minus 2 times 3 will give us minus 6. Minus 2 plus 3 will give us positive 1. So minus 2 S plus 3 S minus 2. 3 minus 2 we get 1, which is 1, the same thing as 1s. Then plus 3 times minus 2 get minus 6. So S plus 3 equal to 0. Then or S minus 2 equal to 0. Now let me subtract 3 from both sides. This will give us S minus 3 or S equal to 2. That is the final answer. Beg your pardon, this will give us minus 3 or equal to 2. These are the equation, these are the solution that satisfy the left hand side to be equal to 7. Subscribe and follow us for more content. Bye.